Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study synthetic division method and practice set based on synthetic division method is 3.3. Question number 1 is that divide each of the following polynomials by synthetic division method and write quotient remainder. But before that we have to solve it. Now let's see the solution. Example number 1 is 2m square minus 3m plus 10. This is dividend divided by m minus 5. This is divisor. Let's start the solution. Dividend is there 2m square minus 3m plus 10. Now this is standard form 2, 1 and here 0. In this way their indices powers are arranged in their descending order. That's why this is standard form. Convert this form into the coefficient form. Coefficient form is equal to, now write all coefficients together. Here coefficient is 2, comma, here coefficient is minus 3 and here coefficient is 10. This is dividend. And divisor, what is divisor here? M minus 5. This is divisor. Now division, draw one vertical line and here horizontal line. Here two rows. First row is here, second row is here and third row we want here. In this way we have to write terms in 3 rows. Now in first row what we have to write? What is divisor here? M minus 5. M minus 5. Therefore take the opposite value of minus 5. What is the opposite value of minus 5? Plus 5. And that plus 5 right here on the left of vertical line in first row. In first row and to the left. And which value? Opposite of divisor. Divisor is m minus 5. Therefore you have to take here opposite of minus 5 plus 5. And where to write? To the left of vertical line and in first row. And in the same row, first row, you write all coefficients here. These coefficient form of dividend. 2, minus 3, 10. 2, little space here, minus 3 and last 10. Little space is there between numbers. Okay, now first row we completed. After that, this is the first coefficient, second and third. First coefficient write down as it is in the third row. Third row. First coefficient write as it is in the third row. 2 as it is. Okay. After that, this number multiply with this divisor, means 5. Here product we have to do. Whichever number will come here, you multiply with 5. Then 2 5s are 10. And product you write in the second row. Product, whichever product will come, write in the second row. And here addition subtraction process. Minus 3 plus 10, 7. 7 you write down here. Now here again we have to multiply with the divisor. 7 is come, 7 5s are 35. Right? And again here now addition. Here plus, that's why addition is 45. And do here box to the last number, because last number is a remainder. Here 2 numbers are left. Therefore quotient is equal to, now these 2 coefficients are of quotient 2, 7 in coefficient form. 2 comma 7. This is coefficient form, like this coefficient form, and now we have to write it in standard form. Therefore this is quotient is equal to 0 1 means 2m plus 7, and remainder is, what is remainder? This number 45. In this way we got here now quotient and remainder also. Let's see example number 2. Solution. First write dividend. Dividend is x raised to 4 plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. We want this dividend in coefficient form, therefore write it in coefficient form. This is compulsory. Write all coefficient. Here coefficient is 1 comma, here coefficient 2, here coefficient 3, here coefficient 4, here coefficient 5. After that divisor. Divisor is x plus 2. As a divisor we have to take opposite value of this, that's why we can write here x is equal to minus 2, opposite of this. This is divisor. Now division method. First draw vertical line, horizontal line. Here first row, here second row, here third row. These are 3 rows. Divisor we have to write on left, and opposite of this means minus 2 here. Divisor minus 2 on left of vertical line. On right side write coefficients of dividend. 1, little space there, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now next, first coefficient write as it is in the third row, means down. First coefficient as it is. Now this 1 means coefficient, and here divisor minus 2. Multiply them. Do product. Minus 2 multiplied by 1, minus 2. Here. Product we have to write here in second row. Here addition subtraction rule. 2 minus 2, 0. 0 write in the third row. Now again this 0 and divisor minus 2 product. 0 into minus 2, 0. 0 I write here. Again addition. 3 plus 0, 3 here in the third row. Again product. 3 2s are 6, minus 6. Minus 6 in second row. Here again subtraction. 4 minus 6, minus 2. Now product with divisor. 2 2s are 4. Minus minus plus means 4 here. 4 plus 5 addition 9. And 9 is remainder. That's why do box here. Last. Therefore quotient now. Quotient is in coefficient form in bracket. 1, 0, 3, minus 2. And write this is in index form. For index form, count from right side their powers. We want power first, no? 0, 1, 2, 3 means power 3. Power 3. Power 3, and what is variable? X. It's 1x cube. 1, this 1 we don't write here. 1 is there. 1x cube plus 0x square plus 3x minus 2. This is the quotient, but this 1 we don't write. That's why this is the quotient. And again, if you want to write in standard form, we don't write 0 in standard form. X cube plus 3x minus 2. This is quotient, and remainder is last number in the division in the box 9. This is remainder. Example number 3. Y cube minus 216. but this is not in index form. Y cube power 3, after power 3 last 0 is given, power 2 power 1 is not there, we have to write that. Y cube plus 0y square plus 0y and last constant minus 216 is equal to, now coefficient form, this is index form. 1 here, coefficient 1, here 0, here 0, here last minus 216. This is coefficient form. And divisor is y minus 6, therefore take opposite value of minus 6, that is divisor. Now method, first row, second row, third row, divisor right here and all coefficients to the right, 1 0 0 minus 216. After that we write first coefficient as it is in the third row is here down, 1 as it is. After getting this number, multiply with the divisor, 6 ones are 6, and here addition, 0 plus 6 6, here product again, 6 6 are 36, 0 plus 36 36, 36 6 are 216, 216, right, 36 6 are, and here plus minus 0, here I do box, this is remainder. Therefore quotient now, quotient is equal to 1 6 36. This is in coefficient form. Let's write in index form. We want power first and start counting from right side, 0 0 1 2, means here power 2 means square, 1y square plus 6y, this plus 36 constant, and here one coefficient we don't write. This is the quotient here, and remainder last number that is written in the box, 0. We got quotient and remainder also here. Example number 4. Dividend is 2x raised to 4 plus 3x cube plus 4x minus 2x square. If you observe their powers, 4 3 1 2, they are not arranged in descending, means that is not in standard form. That's why first of all we have to write it in standard form, means arrange their powers. 2x raised to 4, after 4 3 plus 3x cube, after 3 power 2 minus 2x square, after that 1 4x. This is standard form. After standard form, is it in index form? For index form we want all the powers, 4 3 2 1, 0 is not there, that's why we have to add 0 in index form. Index form, just add 0 here. 2x raised to 4 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 0. Now it completes 4 3 2 1 0. Now coefficient form, write all coefficients here, 2 3 minus 2 4 0. See, these all coefficients we wrote. Divisor now, divisor is x plus 3, therefore we want opposite of plus 3, x is equal to minus 3. This is the divisor. Now method here, divisor is minus 3, right here on left side, coefficients on right side, coefficients are 2 3 minus 2 4 0. First coefficient write as it is in the third row down. Now product, 3 2s are 6, sign minus, here subtraction, 3 minus 6 minus 3, again product, 3 3s are 9, minus minus plus, minus 9 plus minus 2 plus 9 7, 7 3s are 21, sign minus, 4 minus 21 17 minus, 17 3s are 51 plus, minus minus plus, and 0 plus 51 here 51. This is the remainder at last. Therefore quotient now, quotient we write in coefficient form first. 2 minus 3 7 minus 17. Don't write 51, that's a remainder. Now write in index form. Power 0 1 2 3. 2 variable is x cube, 2x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 17. This is quotient, and remainder is there in the box 51. In this way division is completed.